When there is more than one force acting on an object, we say there are multiple forces acting on it. Any one object has multiple forces acting on it at a time. Multiple forces can act on objects in multiple directions. Here are some examples of multiple forces acting on objects. When you kick a ball, your foot pushes the ball into the air, while the earth attracts the ball back down to the ground. The movement of the ball and then down is evidence of multiple forces. When you fly a kite, the wind pushes on the kite while you pull it with a string. Even though these books are sitting still, there are multiple forces acting on them. The table pushes them up while earth pulls them down. Multiple forces balanced and unbalanced. The multiple forces acting on the object can have different strengths. If one force is stronger than another, the forces are unbalanced. When the force acting on an object are unbalanced, the object moves. If the wind pushes on the kite harder than you pull on the string, the forces are unbalanced. The kite moves up into the sky. If you pull on the string harder than the wind pushes the kite, the forces are unbalanced. The kite comes down towards you. If two forces are the same strength, the forces are balanced. When the forces are acting on an object are balanced, the object stays still. If the wind pushes the kite with the same strength that you pull on the string, the forces are balanced. The kite will stay in the same place. This kite is staying still because the forces acting on it are balanced. The kids on both ends of the ropes are pulling with the same strength. It's a tie. That's evidence of balanced forces. The person on the left is pulling harder than the people on the right. So the forces acting on the skateboarder are unbalanced. The skateboarder moves to the left. The floor is pushing up on Dad with the same strength that the earth is pulling down on him. And the sun, so the forces are balanced. The dad doesn't move. The electromagnet on this crane can lift huge pieces of metal without touching them. Earth is also pulling the huge pieces of metal down. If the metal pieces lift up, that's evidence of unbalanced forces.